Guess who is back? It's been a while since last video, guys, and I'm back again on YouTube grind. So in this video I want to talk about what I've been up to for this 2 months, and on top of that say thank you for reaching out 1,000 subscribers. It's a huge milestone. Also we'll talk about a new content, also relaunching a course, and on top of that a huge announcement that you'll find out by the end of this video. So first of all, I want to say thank you so much, guys, for each one of you who subscribed to the channel. We just reached 1,000 subscribers. It's a huge milestone for me, and it's actually, we did it pretty quickly. It's been only 1 year, so it's, keep it up. So we did a great job. For those of you who watching and new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And so yeah, thank you so much, guys. Without your support, without your love, we wouldn't be able to reach this 1,000 subs. And I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate who subscribed, who was reaching out to me, who asked questions, who commenting and liking the video, sharing. It means world to me. Again, guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Next goal, next milestone, it will be 10,000 subscribers. And we're gonna reach this. I have again a new content prepared for you, and every single video I will upload new videos for you. We have content prepared for working with car dealerships. If you want to expand your agency and start working with car dealerships, on top of that, a lot of videos for how to scale your agency, social media marketing agency, and some strategies that we've been implementing to land car dealership clients in terms of high ticket car dealership clients and mostly franchises. So this is another announcement that will come up in the next part of this video. Again, next thing that I want to share with you and just show you what's going on. The new studio setup, as you can probably tell, we have new table, new studio, new sound. I don't know if you hear me better. And on top of that, one of the old school subscribers remember where this head came from. Let me know, guys, if you some old school here in the comments if you remember Boris. On top of that, we're going to be talking about a huge new update that we're coming from for the car dealership domination course. So we're relaunching the course, and we added an entire new section for franchises, for how to work with the new car dealership clients with franchises like BMW, Honda, Ford, GMC, and all these franchises. Because the biggest thing that I realized when it comes down to working with car dealers is, as bigger fish, as you go for bigger fish, as more value you can provide, and on top of that you can get paid way more. And we add an entire new section into the course. So probably the price, not probably, but price will go for sure up for the course. And in that videos in this section, we will teach you again how to we already added some stuff. So we're gonna be teaching you how to price your services for franchises, because you can charge way more. We will go over all this stuff, also how to land them, because there are specific methods and techniques we use how to actually go over and land the meeting with the franchise, how to meet the owner and general manager, also how to close them, what we use. And on top of that, we're going to be teaching you every single thing we do with Facebook ads, with YouTube ads, to deliver results for these type of clients. So all this content will be in the course, and I'm looking forward for you guys if you were thinking to join the course, because the price again is going to be going up. But also let's talk about what I've been up to for these couple months. So I've been working on growing and focusing on a car dealership agency that I'm right now running. And on top of that, I've been launching 2 other e-com businesses. And in this channel, again, for those of you who are all subscribers and being part of community and family, I want to let you know that we're also going to be uploading on this channel a lot of cool stuff that I'm going to be showing you behind the scenes, how I was launching 2 e-com businesses brands. It's not like it's not really drop shipping. We're actually building a private labeling and brand with e-com. So a lot of stuff I'm going to be showing you, and it's practical stuff. As you know me, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how we do step by step. Nothing will be holding back. So I'm going to be launching a lot of videos like that too, but mainly again it's going to be for social media marketing agency focus, also and car dealerships, And on top of that, these e-com businesses, I'll be showing you behind the scenes and practical value, how you can launch and do private labeling, and what we do actually to grow these businesses in terms of marketing strategies, psychological techniques, and selling techniques. So this is really cool stuff. And a huge announcement that I want to give by the end of this video, as I was promising, for every single video that coming up on this channel, we will give away a course, a affiliate marketing course. For those who is gonna comment under this video, we're gonna pick every single video one winner who will get a $200 worth of affiliate marketing course, and we're gonna announce the winner. We're gonna pick by the comments, so it's gonna be randomly. So make sure to starting from this video, for everyone who will comment under this video, I will give away a affiliate marketing course where you can learn some techniques with free and paid traffic, how to run and make first $100 a day with affiliate marketing. This entire course, we have private mastermind group also for that course. So I just want to give as much value as I can, because this is another way to say thank you for those of you who are supporting the channel. So again, comment under this video and we'll pick one winner every single video, and we'll get access to the course. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I want to say again, thank you so much for reaching out 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in another video.
When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come.